Hi everyone, Chris here with Leeloo. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Friday. Today is October 25th, 2024. Let me go over the risk disclosure before we get started. Please know that futures and options trading carries a significant risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Everything on this video and all the videos on our YouTube content is for educational purposes only. So for educational purposes only. All right. It looks like TX says good morning. Audio is good. I've been hitting the like button. Let's get started. I like it. Let's do it. All right. Let's see what we got here today. So I'm in a couple trades here. Just let's see if they work out. Looking at the NQ, ES, in the YM. So Dow Jones, SP 500, NASDAQ. So saw a great move out of this pocket here. Real strong push up, made a new highs. So very good. I got in a little late this morning, so I was not able to catch that right up there. But I'm looking at some other stuff that I look at. So I'm looking for some shorts here, potential. Just playing it very safe, one contract, as you can see, and just seeing if it can get to my target. It may not, that's fine. I'm gonna adjust that stop loss right now. I'm gonna move that a little low actually, so just so you know. But just very very conservative here. On this one, on the YM, this one is just kind of based on the fact that it didn't move that high. So I'm actually going to be moving that stop also down a little bit here. But just to see it, actually, I'm going to move this here. And now this is daily. Obviously, I'm going to go down and dissect this a little better at the 5-minute level. But just from big picture, you can kind of see what's going on. I do want to mention that I think today is the last day of our, actually tomorrow is our last day of our Halloween pre-sale event. 90% off on the all LLLB accounts, and of course 85% off on our weekly accounts. So be sure you take advantage of that as well. Good morning, everyone. Good to see you. John Cafe in the house. What's going on? At Graham High. Good to see you. TX, like always. Louis Colon says, good morning, Chris, and everyone. Good morning to you, and thank you for being here. Thanks for hitting that like button, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, I would really appreciate if you did. That just lets me know you're interested in the content. The thumbs up, gives me a little more support for my day. So I really, really, really appreciate that. So love for you to say hello. Hey guys, I haven't created the video yet for today that I'm going to be selecting the random winner from yesterday's video. So if you haven't already participated, do me a favor, go and participate and hit comment on that video so you guys have a chance to win the giveaway. So I'm going to post the video here. That way you don't have to go look for it too far. So I'm going to post that in the chat. So go ahead and comment on that video, and that gives you a chance to win. So please share our YouTube channel with your YouTube. I don't even know what I'm saying. Please share our YouTube channel with our with your groups, your Discord groups, or with all the groups you're part of. Love for others to join, and as we grow our community and continue to grow, I'm excited about some really exciting things coming up here in the next couple of weeks, and we'll be able to share with those stuff with you as time comes by and then we get closer to those dates. So some major changes coming up that I think is going to be great for everyone. I'm really excited about it, and so I want to be sure you guys are part of that. All right. So we talked about the last couple of days. We talked about market structure. We talked about what kind of the things we're looking at. I really want the market, just been begging the market to come down. I want them to take a big pullback. I'm talking about down here, 19,175. I want the market to come heavy down here, really, really bad. And there's some reasons for that. I want to be able to get into a runner long term, let it run for a long time. But I need those pullbacks. But instead, market is continuing to make this beautiful rounding patterns to the upside, continue to push up, making a slightly new high for today. So we got some potential, pullback, short-term pullbacks down here, right on down this area if it comes pulled back. So we do have some opportunities for the short-term trade if we get some pullbacks on those. So today, kind of difficult. I came in a little late. I would have loved to catch this ride right here. Did not catch that. That's okay. I am looking for a couple shorts, like I mentioned just a bit earlier. Just some other stuff that I'm looking at. Nothing crazy. So I'll be dissecting this down into the 5 minutes and be able to manage my trades a little better. So nothing wild. So nothing that's going to say, wow, this is great. So I may not stay on this trades very long. So it's already 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern. So I may be getting out here fairly quick. So I may end up the day, with a couple $100 lost here, probably break even or lost there. Probably break even on this one. So nothing crazy exciting for me today, but rather just trying to see if I can catch a pullback from that big opening there, or maybe they're going to continue to push up and maybe continue to make that higher high a little. Today's high is stronger than yesterday, so we'll see if we can get some of that pullback in. And that's kind of what I've been looking at today. So I'm interested to see what you think. And if, by the way, guys, if you have any questions, this is a great time to jump in and ask those questions. Okay. So maybe you have some questions about Leeloo, maybe some trading, maybe I can try to help. Love to hear you, hear your questions. So please ask away. If not, we'll pretty much skip this video pretty short. Just wanted to tell you kind of what I was thinking and what I was doing. And then all those different instruments. I'm trading one contract in each. And like I said, right now, hoping for that little pullback there. So I got some other screens. I don't know if I can show you those. Let me see if I can. Give me 1 second. Let me play around. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can move this around. I don't want to. Yeah. Let's see. How can we do this? Let me see if I can do this. Give me 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I don't think it's gonna all fit in this screen for some reason, but let me try. So I got different, multiple monitors, obviously, and they're all a little different here. But let me see if I can get this in for you guys here. Okay, I think I can do that. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So let's try that. What's going on, Drew? It's good to see you. So looking at a little different setup here. I got the ES and Q. I got some stuff going on down here. So I'm looking at this as well. So I got this on another screen that I'm kind of looking at and helping me try to make some decisions here. So I wanted to let you know kind of my other stuff that I'm looking at, not only the one screen that I'm showing you. So anyway, so that's kind of what I wanted to briefly show you. I'm not going to go into details on this one here, but at least now you know, kind of have an idea what I'm looking at besides the chart that I'm sharing with you guys there. So, all right. So let me just adjust those charts out of the way here. Go. All right, so back to our regular typical chart. TX says, let's see, Adrian says hi. Adrian, it's good to see you again. TX says hi, Chris. I know you have a busy schedule, but it's nice to see you hosting this live events. Thank you so much, TX. I've missed you guys so much. Yes, I've been working nonstop behind the scenes on some incredible stuff we got going on that I just can't wait to show you guys. I mean, we're talking about some major things that not just game changing to your trading, something you guys have not seen before. We are coming up with different other really interesting things that, again, it's going to be a game changer overall. So I can't wait to share that with you. I don't have the timeline yet for the demo days. As soon as I do, I just want to be sure I lined everything up correctly. I have to bring in some people for that and just work out some schedules. And then I know last year we did it live, which is I think great, just because it gives people the opportunity to ask questions in real time. The down part of that is just makes it kind of challenging when working on schedules, and I know people work and all that kind of stuff. And so a combination of things, but we may do a combination of live and pre-recorded this year, just because of some speakers may not be able to come during that specific time. But I hope to be able to get those dates to you and make that available to you guys as soon as I can. Excuse me. All right. Let's see. TX says, yeah, it would be great to meet BK again. Oh man, it's funny you mentioned that. I just spoke to him yesterday. He's doing great. He says hi to everyone. I got about 3 or 4 hours with him yesterday. Had a great conversation. And so I will be sure to let him know that you asked about him. So thank you so much for asking about him. I'll be sure to definitely let him know what's going on there. So, okay, cool, great, good questions, DX. Appreciate that. Any other questions here before we end the day? I hope you guys have a great Friday. Hope you have a great weekend. Don't forget, tomorrow is payout request day for everyone. So whether you have a weekly account or your regular traditional accounts, tomorrow is the day if you met all the requirements. So shoot those payout requests tomorrow. Be sure you log into the platform and be able to do that. All right, guys. Well, if you don't have any other questions, hey, Carlos, good to see you. Oh, sorry, we're about to head out, but glad you were able to jump in. And thank you, everybody, for hitting the like button. I really appreciate that. I only see 4, though. I think we can do better. There's 14 people watching. Can we get some more thumbs up on that, or a couple more likes? That would be great. I know TXU are always moving and shaking to getting people to do that. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed, I really would appreciate it if you guys did. Also, let me know what you think about this video. So you can leave some comments here. I will read those. But also, I want you to be sure you don't miss out on the giveaway that I'm doing on the other video. So if you haven't already watched yesterday's video, please go watch that right now. Go and like it, because I'm about to literally post a new video today announcing the winner from yesterday. So please go do that, okay? All right, guys. Well, if I don't see any other questions coming in, hey, Carlos, then I'm going to end it here, and I'm going to go work on that video. So we'll see you guys in the next video, and I can't wait to talk to you guys Monday. I may come over the weekend and see what's going on, but I hope you guys have a great